Hey guys, Tony Papa from ProMediaGear here. Show you a little bit of the custom accessories for the Nikon D810. We make a custom Archetype bracket plate that quickly and easily gets set up on the bottom of the camera. It's perfectly molded and designed to fit this camera only. Tighten it down with the 1/4-20 screw. We also have a D800 and D810 custom L bracket. Creates an arca 1.5" type L bracket that's easily going to slide on hardened steel rails into the bottom of our bracket plate. Can be held securely using these two large screws. Alright, cool. Once the two larger flathead screws are secure on the bottom, they grip securely on the hardened steel rails and don't allow it to slide out. If you wish to adjust, you quickly loosen the screw with the supplied Allen key and allow you to slide the L bracket in and out from a rigid fit all the way out to the edge of the hardened steel rails. Additional accessories can be found at ProMediaGear.com that can go in on the hardened steel rails or the two accessory ports here, such as our little ball stud holder. Can get bolted on and go into our SH1 holster. Can also be rotated forward. The ball can be adjusted to come out of the front. This handle has two short steel rails that slide into the bottom of the bracket plate, as well as a convenient screw system that's going to lock it in, cable protector that's going to help you from keeping anything snagged out if you're using it onto the side ports, as well as a 1/4-20 threaded accessory port on top of the handle. It's a leather handle. It's also going to have anti-rotation pins. You can put those on so if you have something on top of there you don't want it to twist off. Simple to install. Just line up the holes, slide it in until it clicks, then you're just going to spin the tightening screw a few times. It's going to tighten it on in there. Hardened steel rods keep it from rotating and give it rigidity. That's it. Now it's on. You can easily shoot hybrid video. Still have easy access to get to your lens. If you want, you can also remove this screw, flip the handle over, put the handle on the bottom, if that fits your shooting style. You also have the ability to take off this whole unit here and spin it over and get the arc to go this way and maybe make it a little easier to get to your lens. Flip it over, put it in this way. Alright, so you're all set. Now maybe I want to shoot like this. You can also disconnect the cable clamps, put the cable clamps on top if that fits you better. Very modular. On many of our bracket plates, as well as the D810 bracket plate that I have here, we have a strap that we manufacture with a plunger adapter called the SS1 and our new model, the SS2. The strap goes inside this female insert. This is our SS2 model. Push the button, hardened steel rails inside here, move these little ball bearings. Goes right in, allows the strap to move, camera to move, 360 degrees without coming off until you depress the lever. The strap accessory here can be purchased separately or with a strap. You can easily go into many of the bracket plates that we manufacture at ProMediaGear.com. We also have adapters if you have an older version of a plate that will extend out onto the current plate that you might have and give you an adapter port so you could purchase the strap. And this clamp is going to allow you to have the port and an arca clamp all in one, as well as it features our side ports that are going to allow the hardened steel rails and other accessories such as flash brackets, paparazzi brackets, and many other things found on our website easily to adapt to this adapter right here, this little clamp. It's easy to put on any kind of plate. Say this was just an arca clamp, an arca plate. You would just go ahead, loosen up the clamp, and tighten it on. It's that simple. So if you have an arca 1.5" wide plate currently on your camera that doesn't happen to be ProMediaGear, you can easily adapt it with a CB60 V2 clamp. Then something like our SS2 strap would easily be able to plug into it. Still works great. Allows you to take it off, clamp's secure. Then when you want to take it off, just remove the clamp. It's got some safety stops on there. Remove it off. This can be mounted to any quarter 20 accessory, such as a current tripod plate you might have, or other items. Another great accessory for the Nikon D810 here is the Boomerang flash bracket. The Boomerang flash bracket is one of our most popular accessories to keep your flash above your subject, reduce red eye, and allow you to rotate your flash 90 degrees quickly and easily, and a locking detent pin. It connects very simply to all of our cameras. It simply slides on into the hardened steel rails, tightens down in the back. It gives me access to keep my flash up here. Shoot. Landscape, portrait. Weighs in at less than a pound, easily can hold a speed light, pro photo, Elechrome light, or almost anything on the market today. Gives you enough access room to put a wireless trigger or the cable adapter, and is also a great accessory. Take off, fold down flat, quickly put in your bag when you're done. You're ready to use it again, just flip it out, tighten it down, install it back onto the camera plate, tighten it down, and you're all set. It's built in with a convenient kickstand, allows you to make it so it doesn't tip on the table. It's also adjustable here on the side to allow you to go up and down. It'll fit various camera bodies, taller cameras, bodies with grips, and others. So on the D810 here, you can see there's a little cutout. It's going to allow you to put on the strap loop adapter. You're going to quickly just lay that on there like that, the arc down, and using the supplied screws. There's two little guys in that bag. They're going to go in here, tighten on down. The strap loop adapter here can be purchased separately if you just bought the plate. However, it is included with the L bracket system. Alright, as you can see in my hand, I've got the ever so popular Nikon D810 camera with NBD12 battery grip. Here at ProMediaGear, we make a custom archetype bracket plate for this camera specifically. And this NBD12 also fits on the NBD11 and NBD10. This HV75 QR handle here, it quickly goes into the side ports on the custom or universal bracket plates. Locks into the side. Quickly with the screw here, tighten the mechanism down. It's going to tighten that up. Now I've got a handle. Shoot some hybrid video. I could just shoot photos more comfortably. Whatever you want to shoot your style. Comes with cable clamps. So if you do have cables coming down, you can cinch them down into these little clamp areas. The clamp's great, so you don't accidentally pull out anything or get snagged on anything. Just tighten them down. And on top of the handle, it does feature a quarter 20 female adapter with anti-rotation pins, so you can mount additional accessories, such as a cold shoe. You can put another microphone on there, maybe your monitor. The Boomerang flash bracket locks on. You want to get on in there? This arc design here is designed specifically for grip cameras and allows convenient access to the vertical trigger on the bottom of the battery. That way when my hand comes around, I'm shooting in a vertical mode. I have easy access to that button. Included with the BBGV2 is a 5/32 Allen key that conveniently is stored on these magnets. You can quickly tighten up the bottom screw on your custom plate or universal plate and always have it when you need it. Slap on your favorite flash accessory. It doesn't block anything back here, so you have the ability to put on a wireless transmitter or the small cable adapter. The 12-inch one is plenty. And then with the arc compatibility, quickly and easily rock the Boomerang onto your current ball head. We've got many accessories here for the video, such as the VRN4. This little guy here is a Nato Rail that conveniently locks down onto your camera's shoe. So you're just going to slide this on in there. It could go in vertically too if you desire. and it's going to give you a short Nato rail. It's going to be able to lock down on the top of the camera. With that Nato rail, you could purchase Nato accessories and then mount microphones or other additional things, such as a field recorder or something. In my case here today, I've got my handle, which quickly and easily goes right on top of the Nato rail, tightens down. That's going to go ahead and give me that option to go ahead and get those low shots. I can drive it down, run it around. Another accessory on top of my handle today that I'm showing off is my hex. The VR hex here with 3 cold shoes on top of it is a beast. It's going to allow you the option to put on a microphone, maybe a light, maybe a field recorder. For more information on our video accessories, photo accessories, and everything here that we manufacture, visit ProMediaGear.com.